Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn about Mi Notebook Air 13.3-inch screen, model, overview and specifications. The overview and specifications, the glance what they are going to providing on notebook facilities and advanced features and compatibilities and performances. And the specifications, what exactly that particular model is having, that memory, motherboard and screen, keyboard and backlights, USB ports and specifications of the packaging and warranty supported operating systems and many more. Let's start the session today. This is it's a knowledgeable video for you to understand for notebook, and respectively by using these images and content or respective their site and their guidelines. Let's start the session. Mi Notebook Air Ultra Performance in an Ultra Light Package. Earlier session we have discussed a 12.5-inch integrated graphic card with that particular model. Now today we will discuss 13.3-inch dedicated graphic card, that particular model only. See, these are the features, or they are glancely giving us a supporting ultra thin and ultra light full metal body, 6th generation Intel Core i5 processor, dedicated graphic card NVIDIA GeForce 940MX model, and full HD, that is on a display, ultra thin bezel, 9.5 hour battery backup of that particular model, and 8GB DDR4 RAM, 256GB PCIe SSD card, that is a high performance hard disk. This is the model of the outline, silver and gold color. Lightweight metal body, ultra performance in an ultra light package containing highly sophisticated motherboard, fully laminated display, high density battery, and in Mi Notebook Air delivers uncompromising performance while staying thin and light, picks up easily with one hand and fits comfortably in most computer bags. The 13.3 Mi Notebook Air dedicated graphic card is there. Weights 1.28 kg. The comparative of earlier model, it's 1.7, 12.5, and this is the 1.28 kg and 14.88 mm thin of that particular laptop model. Heavyweight performance without the weight. Heavyweight performances, the meaning you are producing some movie or editing with the high quality pictures and high quality resolutions, that is heavyweight images of while copying of heavyweight that 4 MB or 5 MB 8 MB images and 4 KB 8 KB 10 KB below 10 KB images, how much time that is take to transfer the data from either pen drive or hard disk or any other media. While transmitting heavyweight media will take some time. Even they are focusingly heavyweight performance, in the sense heavyweight such a things are easily they can handle. Without the weight they will show us a performance guidelines over here. And higher gaming performances and faster CPU speeds are introduced. Not every notebook has dedicated graphic cards. This is the high performance for the 3D and high level gamings, and the motions of that particular videos will give an NVIDIA graphic card. And 6th generation Intel Core i5 processor and Core M processors are introduced here. The particular series are 18% faster than its predecessors. Processor consumption is significantly lesser and can be used for view to 4K videos very easily. And the max 2.7 GHz max that Core i5 processor can be possible. Full HD display made different. It supports 1920 into 1080 pixels. The full HD screen will show you more and the realistic images and performances on your display. So thin and light, That's for a day. The battery which is supports you that 13.3-inch extended battery life is 9.5 hours if it is charged 100%. Wherever the intermediary guidelines are also available on specifications page, but have a discussion with that too. AKG custom dual speakers. This is the Dolby Digital Audio presents that particular this model, and AKG acoustics for the speakers in the Mi Notebook Air, and enhanced the bass with Dolby Audio premium surround sound quality technologies introduced for these models. All the ports you need also come with USB Type-C. This model they are also introduced Type-C USB Type-C port, which is nowadays either mobile or HDD or any other devices, they are giving us a Type-C USB port, which is called that particular Type-C USB port directly to connect it to the laptop. But Mi Notebook Air. See, the representation of these images can be possible to connect it directly to this particular notebook. Smarter adapter that makes your notebook more powerful. With the smart adapter, you are able to connect more. You now have 2 HDMI ports, HDMI ports, and 3 USB ports to help you better work in your as usual working environments. And no need password to unlock. Unlock with your Mi Band 2. If you own Mi Band 2, you can unlock your notebook Air without having to a key in your password. Your Mi Notebook Air made you to love. The features are highlighted glance, SD-RAM DDR5 and PCIe SSD, DDR4 RAM, edge-to-edge glass protection, full-sized keyboard, multi-touch glass trackpad, support Dolby, dual 4K output, 3 screens display, 2x2 Wi-Fi, double with the speed of the 802.11 AC, which is a network supports the protocol. Mi Notebook Air 12.5, it's showing that magazine similarly the 13.3 to the magazine size only. And the features of a processor, SSD and 4GB RAM, and the weights of this particular model: ultra performance, ultra thin and ultra light. Choose one you best and fit based on your specification of the criteria of the demo, that visualization of the screen, and you can select it. The configuration comes with the 13.3 is Core i5 processor, dedicated graphic card, 8GB DDR4 RAM, 256GB PCIe SSD card, and expandable SSD slot is also available, and 1080p Full HD screen, runs Windows Home 10, that operating systems. Now we will keenly discuss about the specifications, that is the performance, thin package and play 3D games, most complicated task, ultra performance at ultra speed. 6th generation Intel Core i5 processor will gives you more performances and guidelines. And NVIDIA GeForce 940MX dedicated graphic card, which is involved here, introduced, and 1GB DDR5 SD RAM, 8GB DDR4 RAM plus 256GB PCIe SSD card for that storage media. The accuracy and the reading performance is very more powerful than as usual hard disk. Comes the both silver and gold colors in the market. Processor network memory on this model: processor Core i5-6200U, 2.7 GHz max, dual core, 4 threads, 3 MB and 3 cache memory. Network dual band wireless AC 2x2 network, supports 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi. Supports 802.11 AC network protocol compatible with 802.11 B by Z by N, and megahertz speeds that 867 Mbps max. Bluetooth 4.1 wireless technology introduced, and 8 GB of memory, DDR4 2133 MHz of speed, 15% faster and 5 to 10 range of the percentage lower power consumption than DDR3 RAM, which is already available in the market. And hard disk graphics, this is the hard disk 250 GB PCIe into 4 NVMe SSD, maximum read speeds of 1.5 GB per second. Expandable SSD slot is also available. In future enhancement, we can add more SSD with capacity of the GB. Supports reading and writing removable hard disk. Graphic and NVIDIA GeForce 4940 MX graphic card dedicatedly for visualization and display purpose. Dedicatedly they have given a provision for this, and supports up to 3 displays. Dual 4K video playback, you can add 2 4K resolution displays in full HD mode. 3 screens are able to display different content at the same time. USB Type-C HDMI video output, supports 1080p resolution up to 60 MHz, and supports 4K resolution and supports digital video output. Connected to TVs and external screens too. TV or external monitors can be possible. Display itself showing that pictorial representation, 13.3 inch of wide range screen, and display size ultra narrow, full HD resolutions it supports, wide angles, contrast ratio is specified, and fully laminated to reduce glare on the screen. Now come to the camera and audio. 1 megapixel camera, 1280 inch 720 video calls resolution, digital microphone array is available. Audio, in this model Realtek ALC 255 sound card they have used, and custom AKG dual speakers, professional speakers, and 2W2 words into 2. Special enhanced Dolby advanced audio. Supports computer and headphone surrounding system, Hi-Fi 24 GHz and 48 kHz. Audio playback, the particular heads it will supports headphones with remote and mic, except Apple headphones will not remain. All the headphones and all it will works. Battery 40 volts type, ultra thin and light battery, 4 cell lithium ion battery, battery energy density up to 578 Wh/L. Supports 1C faster charger, charges 50% more within the 30 minutes. Type USB Type-C, the port is also available. Online video playback up to 8 hours, local video playback up to 7.5 hours, and web browsing time up to 7.5 hours backup intervals of that particular model battery. The ports, fully functional USB port Type-C, transfer 5 GB per second. Supports charging, data transfer, audio video outputs. 3.0 ports into 2, transfer up to 5 GB per port. Full sized HDMI port into 1, 3.55mm headphone jack. Choose from multiple adapters such as USB Type-C or HDMI ports are available in this model. Dimensions and weight. The dimensions and weight is very low for regular laptop models. See the length 309.6 mm, width, thickness, weight, full metal body, even and uniform coating. Display opens up to 135 degrees angle. Trackpad. That models too, they are introduced the same fully sized keyboard trackpad. They are saying that multi-finger gesture allows scrolling, switching, open performances, and zooming the images and all. Operating system and warranty. Operating system runs Windows 10 Home, takes 10 seconds to power on the system and 2 seconds to wake up from the sleep if it is in a sleep mode on this particular laptop model. A notebook supports MI Cloud Syncs. Warranty, 1 year warranty and 2 years for the main components. You can find out at my site for more details. Packaging specifications, 375mm into 115mm into 292mm, approximately 2.5 kg. Includes notebook, power adapter, getting started guide with a warranty certificate and all. everything in 2.5 kg the box will specify. Thanking you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views and specify your interest of the videos to make us feel happy to give you on more descriptions about the products and technologies and programming languages and many more relevant to the technology. For more information, visit us at harisystems.com. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.